Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go Chanel boutique in Beverly Hills. I will show you a month ago what I saw, also currently what they have. So a month ago, I saw these old items, but right now it's pretty much all changed. I could see a lot of pink, burgundy, love the burgundy color. There were so many seasonal bags. Love this purple small hobo bag. Also love this lambskin black bag. There are different color and size. There were so many 19 bags in different color and size. Oh my gosh. Love this handle of coco handle. I love this seasonal bag in purple color. I love the metal handle frame of this walk. I couldn't find exactly the same one, but I love this vanity with chain. Love this camera bag, also backpack. I couldn't find same backpack, but there are so many kinds of backpack, but love this one. Love this pearl crush camera case. There were so many different color and size of boy bag. Love this small seasonal bag. It's a calfskin. So this week I visited again to check what they have. I didn't know that it was actually the first day of the launch of 22B FW collection. Love this blue Gabrielle hobo bag. I see many green colors as well. This green small vanity case. I couldn't find the price, but I love the color. There's a purple, gray, black. Love this vanity with chain. My gosh, love this bling bling classic bag. I love this green color, 19 walk. So many kinds of vanity with chain. Love this shade of green. It's like kind of bluish. Love this bling bling clutch with chain. I could see lots of purple items. Travel bag in leather. Many black seasonal bags. Love it. Personally, if you are okay with lambskin, I would recommend seasonal bag over classic bag because the price is much better. There was some coral colors as well. I love this Duma drawstring bag. It's so cute. This is the main display section. I could see many black, purple, gray. I love the purple and gray. Which color do you like? I could see burgundy pink color as well. Love this boy minadie. I think it's belt card holder. I love this small boy messenger bag. There are different kind of material as well. Love this small seasonal flat bag. There are so many different kind of seasonal flat bag. Love this Deauville bag. In this section, I can see burgundy, pink, beige. Love this large classic shopping tote bag. Chanel is bringing more and more cute seasonal bags, so there are so many kinds. I think from last season, this small vanity case was hit. Love this handle detail. It's pink, but more like coral, so I really like this Duma backpack, so I'm gonna try it on. I love this, so cute. It's a little bit small, but I really loved it. I wish it comes out in calfskin, especially like caviar leather. Love this coral pink vanity case. The price is amazing and it fits a lot. Now let's check small leather goods section. Love this green small vanity case. Clutch with chain in green is so cute, but the classic wallet looks a little bit heavy with this green. I see a lot of white color. Love this small bucket bag. And classic black as well. This round small vanity case is so cute, especially I love the handle. I see lots of purple and there was a dark gray color as well. 19 phone case is so cute. Love the white and green walk. Love this sphere shape minaudier. Gray and black phone case. Love different kinds of white backpack. Lovely coral color. Personally, I think black and white color is the best in Chanel. Love 19 bag in white color. This minody with the handle is so cute. Love this purple long zipped wallet. And the beanie with the Chanel logo is so cute. Also, this belt bag is so cute. Love this pink walk. I tried last time I showed you, but I wanted to show one more time. So this dress and top I tried a month ago, but I'm gonna show you this time. There are 22M Cocoa Beach collection, also 22A. So let me try on one by one. I love this top. There's a black color as well. This is 22M top, size 36. It was a little bit tight fit, so 36 was good. This top is from 22A. I love this top, but it was really pricey. Size 36 was okay. This dress, in the picture, it looked so cute, but when I tried it on, it was like tight fit, so 34 was a little bit tight. Love this pink dress. It was a little bit snug fit, so 36 was a little bit big for me. This dress is like more cover up for the swimsuit. So I went to Universal Studio. Quickly, I can show you what I ride, what I did. I recommend you to go really early, especially popular one like Harry Potter ride because there are less people. After Harry Potter, I went to ride Jurassic World. It's fun ride, but at the end there's a like really fast dip, so watch out. Have you watched Jurassic Park, the recent one? It was okay, but the first movie is always the best. Next, Transformer. Someone is doing high five with Optimus Prime. By the way, when you go for each ride has different height limit. So if you have kids, you need to really check the height. Since last time I tried Simpson ride, so this time I'm gonna skip. You can't miss Butterbeer, so I got one. On the way to Minion, there was cute French village. Finally, Minion ride. It is for small kids, and there's like a small kids area to play and water park as well. This is part of Minion Village. Finally, studio tour, my favorite one. I wish they make more set for the movie scene, but there were some area already doing movie shooting. That area was quiet zone. This is Jurassic Park, the movie set. You can feel that Jurassic Park 1 movie scene. Oh my gosh, quick flood. And this is the accident in subway. I love this set. Flood in subway. And my favorite movie set, the Jaws. I love this lake village. Next, my favorite, Bates Motel. You know, it was originally from Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. I don't know about this movie, but War of the World, there was a remake with Tom Cruise and Fast and Furious. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.